Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to find Crickex promo codes in 2025. For that, you need to open your web browser and in the search bar, you need to search for Crickex promo codes 2025. Now, once you search for it, you will find a bunch of different websites that are actually providing you Crickex promo codes and bonuses. So you just have to simply open these one by one in another tab, and then you need to just hop on to the websites one by one. Like I have opened this website in order to show you how it actually works. So here you will see 10,000 plus promo code. So you just have to simply click on the get code option and it will show you the code on the next page. Now you need to make sure that you click on the terms and conditions first in order to get the terms and conditions. So since it is written as new bonus, it might be working for only new users. So if you already have an account, then you can even try to find Crickex promo codes for the existing users. But if you are completely new, you can easily find a valid promo code for you, and you can even try this one, that is new bonus. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.